Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on TD Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now in the address bar, just type in td.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of TD Bank. Now, in order to create a new account, just select the type of account that you want to open up. Once you select your account type, simply click on the register button underneath the login button for the type of account that you want to create. You will now be taken into the registration page. Now, since we don't already have an account, we're going to click on register. Finally, you will be taken into another page, which is the registration form. Now just click on I would like to set up a new easy web login ID and password and then click on the continue button. Now you will need to provide your personal information and customer identification as well. Just go ahead and select your access card and enter your card number. Then type in your first and your last name. Now enter your date of birth and your postal code and then click on the continue button. Once you do this, you will be able to set up your username and your password. And once you do those, you will be able to log into your account using these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new account on TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.